What's up guys, and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the top 5 places to buy property here in Spain. So maybe you are in a situation right now where you're considering to buy a property in sunny Spain. Maybe you are a retiree looking for your perfect retirement home here in Spain. Maybe you are looking to relocate as a digital nomad, or maybe you are looking for a holiday home which is family friendly. Or maybe you are even an investor who are looking to make money on Spanish property. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about all of those places, so stick around to the end so you will get all the tips and tricks. And also, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so, because I put out a new video every single week and you don't want to miss it. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. In no particular order, I will start with the first destination, which is Valencia. Valencia is becoming increasingly popular, but still affordable compared to Madrid and Barcelona. Valencia is best for expat, digital nomads and investors looking for growth. The average price is 1,800 euros per square meters, so this is cheaper than Madrid and Barcelona. The pros about Valencia is that it is affordable comparing to other big cities, and it's a growing expat community. You have a lot of beaches and you also have the city life. The cons of this place is that it has less international exposure than bigger cities. So Valencia, it's the ideal place if you're looking for that city life combined with a lot of beaches and you want still affordable prices, which is not like Barcelona or Madrid to compare some other big cities. Then you have Valencia, which is a very good option. The second one on my list is Costa del Sol. So Costa del Sol is best for expat and luxury buyers. The reason for this is it's one of the most desirable regions with a warm climate all year around. It's best for retirees, luxury buyers and high-end investors. The popular area in Costa del Sol is Marbella, Malaga and Estepona. And the average price in Marbella is 4,000 euros per square meters. In Malaga, it's 2,500 per square meters. And the pros of Costa del Sol is that there's a very high rental demand, it's sunny weather and the upscale lifestyle. The cons of Costa del Sol is that it's expensive in prime location. So if you are looking for a sunny climate all year around and you are looking for an upscale lifestyle and are willing to pay the price for it, or maybe you're even looking to high-end investment properties like a rental, Airbnb properties, then Marbella or Malaga and Costa del Sol in general, it's a very good destination for you. Next one on my list is Madrid. Spain's capital is a prime spot for stable investment and long-term growth. It's best for investors and professionals looking for a steady appreciation and rental income. With an average price of 4,000 euros per square meters, you have a strong economy, high rental demand and capital appreciation. The cons of Madrid is that it is expensive compared to other cities and you can have colder winters. If you are considering an investment property, Madrid might be the place for you. It has colder winter, but then again, it has also a very good rental income all year around and probably with less restriction on rental licenses as other touristy area. The next one on my list is Alicante. Alicante is a coastal city with a lower cost of living and high expat presence. And it's best for retirees and budget-conscious buyer and vacation home seekers. The average price is 1,900 euros per square meters, which is much cheaper compared to Barcelona and Madrid. The pros of Alicante is that it is affordable, it has a warm climate all year around, and it's a great quality of life. The cons, it can get very touristy and fewer high-paying job opportunities. If you are looking to relocate to a warm, nice climate all year around and you're looking for something that is affordable, then Alicante might be just the place for you. Lots of opportunities here in the property sector because it's more up and coming and it is more affordable. If you are looking to buy properties in Costa Blanca and Alicante, I have my real estate agency located here, So if you are looking to buy new build, we do collaborate with most of the builders in Costa Blanca. I'm the owner of Revenue Real Estate. I will leave the link down below so you can schedule a call with me or one of my team members, or you can just enter the webpage, get a little bit of more information, have a look at our properties. We do have our head office in Costa Blanca, but we do also have an office in Costa del Sol. So if you are looking for Costa Blanca or Costa del Sol, we would be happy to help you, happy to hear from you. Click the link below and I'll see you there. Next one on my list is Barcelona. Barcelona is best for the city life and the beach lifestyle. Barcelona has a unique mix of city and Mediterranean lifestyle with a strong rental demand. It's best for investors, professionals and digital nomads. The average price of the properties are 4,500 euros per square meters. And the pros, it has a vibrant lifestyle, high tourism and strong rental market. The cons, it is expensive. It is a lot of property regulation on short-term rentals. So you should always make sure to look into the local regulation before buying a property. So those are the top 5 places to buy property in Spain. Whether you are looking for a luxury retreat, a retirement home or a smart investment, there's a place for everyone. If you are looking to buy a property in Spain, make sure to do a bit of research, do some traveling from one area to another, because there are quite a big difference from the areas. If you are considering buying it, schedule a call with us down below. We will talk to you about the different areas. If you're looking for a smart investment, we will rent out the property for you. We will find the best retirement home for you here in sunny Spain, or the vacation home of your dream. So make sure to schedule a call with us down below. And also make in the comment section what area would you like to choose. Did I miss some areas here? I would like to hear your opinion. If you haven't done so, subscribe and like the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.